Silence is one of the most powerful strengths a person can build. Yet it is often overlooked in a world where constant sharing is celebrated. When people announce their plans loudly, they usually feel a temporary sense of pride or excitement. But that same announcement weakens the inner fire needed to actually accomplish those plans. By keeping your goals private, you protect your energy, sharpen your focus, and grow a stronger sense of self-control. This strength comes from within, not from applause or validation. The journey of becoming someone who acts more than they speak requires discipline, patience, and a new way of thinking about progress. Building inner strength by keeping your goals private is not about hiding in fear. It is about mastering yourself before the world sees you. Many people fall into the trap of oversharing. They talk about their goals, their next steps, or their ambitions, hoping for encouragement or recognition. Yet, studies and everyday life both show that when you tell people your plans, your brain interprets that praise as if you have already achieved something. The excitement you feel when someone says that's amazing after you share a goal can trick you into believing you have already done the work. The truth is, nothing has been accomplished yet. Talking about a dream is not the same as building it. The real satisfaction must come from action, not words. If you want to grow into someone unshakable, you must resist the temptation to declare your path before you walk it. 96.